I'm not sure about you, but I use YouTube a lot. And I use YouTube to learn how to build new things, to learn a bunch of new skills, coding, marketing, all the latest tech trends. And I noticed there's a couple of shortcuts that I use all the time, and I wanted to share those with you. Some keyboard shortcuts that are really helpful. So the first one is you notice that when you go to like a default YouTube screen on your laptop or desktop computer, you have all of these side suggestion videos. So sometimes these might be distracting, so you might find yourself going to full screen, or you can also hit F on your keyboard to go to full screen. But sometimes for me, I might be watching a video where I'm trying to recreate something or I'm following a tutorial. So I might have a new tab open, or I can hit Command T to open a new tab. So I can switch back and forth easier instead of having to go like out of full screen and in full screen. Another option that I really like to use is a semi full screen where if I hit T on the keyboard, it will actually remove the sidebar. And so that way, if I have another tab open and I'm working on something that has to do with the video I'm watching, I can actually just do a semi full screen by hitting the T key. Another thing that's really helpful is with a lot of video playing software, you'll notice you have the ability to skip or rewind 30 seconds or skip forward 30 seconds if you've already maybe seen part of the tutorial you're watching and you're just trying to get to the part that's most helpful for you. If you hold the forward key on your keyboard or the like right directional key, you can hold that right or left and rewind or fast forward on a video you're watching. And so you can hold it if you want to fast forward a lot, or you can just tap it if you want to go back at 5 second increments. So again, those two keyboard shortcuts today are T to go to semi full screen and the arrow keys are not super obvious when you're using YouTube. Hope that was helpful to some of you. And if you have any other questions or there's anything with tech that you're just like, man, there should be a way to do this, uh, send me a message or write a comment on wherever you're watching this video. And if I know and I've got some extra time, I'll take a look and see if I can make a video for you too.